To pay someone with PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account using your email address and password. If you do not have a PayPal account, you can create one for free by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and credit or debit card details. Once you are logged in, click on the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. This will take you to a new page where you can enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Make sure to enter the correct email address or phone number associated with the recipient's PayPal account to avoid any delays or errors. Next, enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. You can also add a note to the payment if you want to include a message or description. This can be useful for tracking the payment or providing context. Choose the payment method you want to use, such as your PayPal balance, credit card, or debit card. If you are using a credit or debit card, make sure you have sufficient funds available to cover the payment. Review the payment details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's email address, the amount, and the payment method. If everything looks good, click the Send Now button to complete the payment. The recipient will receive an email notification from PayPal once the payment has been sent. The funds will be transferred to their PayPal account, and they can then transfer the money to their bank account if needed. As a best practice, make sure to only send payments to people you trust, and always verify the recipient's email address or phone number before sending a payment. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using PayPal, such as transaction fees or currency conversion fees. By following these steps, you can easily pay someone with PayPal and take advantage of the convenience and security that the platform offers. PayPal provides a fast and reliable way to send and receive payments online, making it a popular choice for individuals and businesses alike.